This video is the instructions on how you can complete the pause and practice assignments in ITD 122. You begin the process in Blackboard and head over to SimNet using the SimNet link in Blackboard. Once you are at your SimNet screen, you would select the chapter that you're working on, select the tile. The pause and practice has a green top that says resource. Click on that tile. It will bring you to the pause and practice screen. There are 3 parts to your process of completing, starting and submitting the pause and practice. The first thing that you need to do is to download the resource. I am in Chrome, so when I download, it will be down in my bottom tray. If you are using Firefox, there will be an arrow up at the top right that will have your downloaded file. I'm going to click on that, download resource. You can see in my tray I have a file that is zipped. I'm going to double click on that zipped file. It is going to open it. Inside each zipped file there will be a instruction that you would read first, any files that you need to complete the assignment, and then corresponding PDF files for the instructions. Now, you can choose to use the instruction files within this zipped file, or you can use the pause and practice instructions from your physical book or from your ebook. Before you can use any of these, though, you must extract them. So if I look at this, I can tell I still am in an extract mode because up at the top it says extract compressed folder. I need to click extract all, and then here's the thing that you need to pay attention to. Where are you saving your file? So I usually put the files in a folder. So let's say I'm going to go to courses just for this one, but I would normally, let me come back up here. I would normally have a folder for the semester, and then I would have a folder for the class, and then I would have a folder for each chapter or each product. So you could have a folder for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access, or you could have a Word Chapter 1 folder, a Word Chapter 2 folder. However you feel you want to organize your space. So I'm going to create a new folder here that's going to be called Word Chapter 1. I'm going to click and press on it, but see, I'm still not in it, so I need to double click to get into it. I look at my path here and make sure where I'm at. I select that folder, it lists it here, and I'm going to extract. Now that has extracted so I can use it. So now I just need to go to that folder. So that was I did it in summer, ITD, Word Chapter 1. And there are all the files that you saw in the zipped folder, but now they're in a mode in which you can use it. So the first thing you would do would be to click on the instruction file. So the instruction file is going to be loaded, and it's going to tell you what you need to do. So you need to read through. In this case, I'm in Word Chapter 1, but each instruction file would be unique for that chapter. So we're going to do Word Chapter 1. Read through the chapter, all of the pages, complete pause and practice 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. You may use the instructions for the pause and practice in your textbook, in your ebook, or from the files that were included in the zip file. And that's fine. They're the same. All of those would work. After completing, in this case, there's 3 pause and practice. So after completing 1-3, submit your 1 completed Word file document to this Dropbox. Make sure to name your file per the book instructions, using your initials at the beginning of the document name. Files needed and included are this disclosure statement that's going to be used in step 1-2. So that's your overall instructions. So you would go through and work it, and then let's say you're all done. Or let's say you're not done, but you have to leave, and you're at school, you don't have a USB drive, whatever. Right here, you can upload and save your progress. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and just pick something. Something that's not going to be good, but so at this point, I can upload it. I'm not ready to submit it because I haven't finished it. So I'm just going to say, no, I'm not ready. And look, your file now is just residing in SimNet so that you can download it and complete it at another time. If I'm ready, or let's say I'm working on it and I want to do this again, I'm going to upload and save. Notice that this file would be replaced with the new file, right? So you would only ever have 1 file here. Once you're done and you're ready, you can submit it, and I have submitted it for grade. Your instructor will get the notification that you have submitted it, and they will grade it. All right, thank you. And if you have any questions, please reach out to your instructor. Thank you.